Dumulog sa Korte Suprema ang mga kaalyado ng pamilya Duterte para hinging ipatigil ang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte. Anila, hindi umano nasunod ng Kamara ang tamang proseso para dito. Nakatutok si Maki Pulido.
Naghain kanina ng petisyon sa Korte Suprema ang mga kaalyado ng pamilya Duterte. Hiling nila isang tabiang impeachment complaint laban kay Vice President Sara Duterte at pagbawalan ng Senado na dinggin ito.
This is part of a plan probably to eliminate her as a probable contender in the 2028 national elections.
Punto ni Attorney Israelito Torion, depektibo raw ang impeachment complaint dahil nilabag umano nito ang panuntunan na isang impeachment complaint lamang ang maaaring ihain sa isang opisyal sa loob ng isang taon. May nauna na raw kasing inihaing 3 impeachment complaint sa Kamara laban sa bise at dapat daw gumulong na ang 1-year ban. Ang pang-apat ang naging batayan ng verified impeachment complaint na inihain sa Senado.
There were 3 priorly filed impeachment complaints and which were not acted upon in the Constitution. Specifically, Article 11, Section 3 thereof mandates that upon receipt of the impeachment complaint, the same should be included in the House in the order of business within 10 session days, and thereafter the Speaker should have referred it to the Committee on Justice within 3 days.
Hindi rin daw nabigyan ng due process si Vice President Duterte at hindi nabigyan ng tamang oras ang mga kongresista na mapag-aralan ang impeachment complaint.
There was only around 3 hours between 12 o'clock to 3:15 before it was included in the additional House business reference. And by that time, we feel and we have reasons to believe that some of the congressmen were not even able to peruse the complaint as well as assess the evidences attached in the impeachment complaint.
Hinihingan namin ng komento dito ang Kamara. Sabi ng tagapagsalita ng Korte Suprema, aaksyonan nila agad ang petisyon.
In these petitions, the Supreme Court acts on the matter by either requiring the parties to comment on the petition.
Noong Biyernes, isa ring petisyon ang inihain para naman hingin sa Supreme Court na sabihan ng Senado na agad simula ng impeachment trial ng bise. Kanina, sinabihan ng Korte ang Senado na magkomento dito sa loob ng 10 araw.
It was treated as an urgent case, and this is also obvious from the fact that the Supreme Court gave them a non-extendable period of 10 days to comment. Impeachment is a nationwide concern that will be treated with urgency because of the gravity of the matter.
Hinihingan namin ng komento dito ang Senado. Para sa GMA Integrated News, Maki Pulido, nakatutok 24 oras.